This video is on rationalizing the denominator. Now in question 1 I have 5 over root 2. Now to rationalize the denominator, what I can do is I'm just going to write 5 over root 2 again. If I multiply this by root 2 over root 2, I know that root 2 times root 2 just gives me 2. So then my denominator will be rational. So this will give me 5 over root 2 over root 2 times root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2 over 2. Now in this second question, I have square root of 2 over 5. Now we know from our third rules, this is actually equal to root 2 over root 5. Now if I want to rationalize the denominator here, I'm just going to write this again. So I need to multiply top and bottom by root 5. Now notice how I'm multiplying top and bottom by root 5, but this doesn't change anything because root 5 times root 5 over root 5 is just equal to 1. And multiplying anything to 1, it keeps it the same. So what I'm going to have is root 2 times root 5 over root 5 times root 5 is just 5. And root 2 times root 5 is root 10. Now I always need to check whether or not I can simplify this root 10 further. Now can I have two numbers multiplying to make 10 where one of them is a square number? I can't, so that's simplified. Okay, next question. Again, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to write it again. 2 root 3 over root 5. To rationalize the denominator, I need to multiply this by root 5 over root 5. This will give me 2 times root 3 times root 5. And root 5 times root 5 is just 5. And now I have 2 times root 3 times root 5 is root 15 over 5. Again, I need to check, can I simplify this further? Now 15 is 3 times 5. Both of them aren't square numbers, so this is simplified. Now I'd like you to answer these questions and bring them to the lesson. So the first questions, you have to rationalize the denominators for the following. And the second question, I want you to think about what you notice about the answer to question 1-4. So that this is this question here. What do you notice about the answer to this question? And then I'd like you to write your own question that will give a similar result. Okay, so a similar result to when you rationalize the denominator of this question, and bring that to the lesson.